welcome back to my channel. For today's video I have a Sephora haul, one of my favorite places to shop at beside Ulta and Marshalls. So I did end up cleaning and reorganizing my vanity. I changed the background of it. I had it a little bit of pink. I decluttered and I decided to go shopping at Sephora to see what's new, and I'm really excited to share with you the cute items that I picked out. I got a couple perfumes and fragrances and makeup. But before we get started, if you're new here, welcome. I'm Fabiola, and if you love anything pink, then go ahead and click the subscribe button down below, click the bell notification, and follow me on my Instagram. That being said, let's go ahead and get started. So I actually went twice to Sephora. The first time I got some items and then I went back because I had to return something that I got that I totally hated, which I will tell you about it after. And then I ended up getting more things. It always happens. Anyways, let me show you what I got the first time. So I ended up buying this because it's so popular right now, and of course I had to try it for myself. And I'm probably gonna butcher this name, so don't laugh. I think it's called Jisoo or Jisoo, something like that. But it's a hair perfume and it's infused with honey. It says that it's for all hair types. You spray it on your hair when it's dry, and OMG, this is incredible. It literally smells so good. It smells very, very sweet. It smells incredible. There is a new line that's like a floral one, which I did not like, but this one smells so good. You literally just like spray it on your hair when it's dry, and the moment that you're like walking, the breeze, the air, it just like it smells so good. I highly recommend this. This is like the best. I'll link it down below. And it does come in 1.7 ounces. I think it comes in a bigger size as well, but I always start with a small one because you never know if you're gonna like it. But this is a definite must. Highly recommend it. Also, to go with it, I got the honey infused leave-in conditioner. You put this in your hair when your hair is like wet, and it smells the same. Like, it smells so amazing. This is it, and I love the packaging. It is so gorgeous. Packaging in this is like so aesthetically pleasing. Love it. So I got that, and then of course I had to get the lip oil, which is right here. Again, packaging is gorgeous. I did struggle to open this, and I heard a lot of people do. So what I did is I ran it under the sink, under like the hot water, and then I was able to open it because I think it gets stuck when you open it for the first time. But isn't it so beautiful? Like, this is gorgeous, and it is so hydrating, and it smells so nice. It really like nourishes your lips. Highly recommend those products. I am so excited with those. And I also picked up the Glow Recipe Dew Drops. These are the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops. It's a serum, and I was looking for something to like apply under my skin before foundation, and it's really good. I've tried this brand before from Glow Recipe. It's incredible. So I do recommend this. I also got this like little duo. I think it was like something like drops, and then there was also like a blur. It's called like Blur Stick, which I totally hated, and I'm going to attach a picture or a clip here so you can see which ones I'm talking about. But that is what I ended up returning. I returned it because it smelled so gross. I don't know why. I did see some reviews of the same issue, so it must be like the product. I don't know, but I just could not with the smell. It just smelled like dirty water, so I ended up returning that. But I did keep the dew drops because I do love those. So that is what I got in my first Sephora trip. Then when I went back to return the items, I ended up getting something that I wanted to get for a long time, and it is this here, which I actually got a sample of a while back, and it smelled incredible. and it was always out of stock, but I found it today, so I ended up getting it. And it is the Sol de Janeiro Beija Flor. I got the body wash, which smells incredible. It literally like makes your whole bathroom while you're taking a shower. It smells so nice. It's so like floral, so feminine. I love this so much, and a little bit goes a long way. And I also picked up the Beija Flor perfume mist to go with it, but look at the packaging. Isn't it just so beautiful? I didn't just get it because it's a pink. I honestly got it because it smells so good. I would say this is my favorite from the entire brand, so definitely recommend this. They did have like a mini little pouch with like everything in there, but I wanted to get the big ones because I did try them and loved them so much. So next I got a lipstick, and it is from my favorite brand, Charlotte Tilbury. It is called the 90s Pink. It's beautiful. Look at this color. Gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. Highly recommend it, and it's what's on my lips right now. And last but not least, I got the popular Love Shack Fancy perfume. Look how beautiful. It's called Forever in Love. It is absolutely beautiful. It smells incredible. It has love notes of green pear, gardenia, and cedarwood. OMG, it smells so good, and the packaging is so pretty. It's so pink, so aesthetically pleasing, and I just couldn't say enough about this perfume. Highly recommend it. So that was it for today's Sephora haul. I really hope you loved today's video. I love you all so much. As always, I will link everything in today's video down below. I hope you all have an incredible rest of your week, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.